Hi there, students. Erroneous, erroneous, an adjective. Erroneously, the adverb. And I guess erroneousness, the noun of the quality. Okay, if something is erroneous, it's wrong. It's incorrect. It's based on incorrect information. So your conclusion is erroneous. It's inaccurate. It contains an error. Or it's derived from an error. It's fallacious. It's faulty. It's flawed. Or it's mistaken. You are erroneous. You are wrong. Yeah. So to come to an erroneous conclusion. Yeah. I added up the numbers erroneously. I based it on false assumptions and came to an erroneous conclusion. The answer that I chose was erroneous. Yeah, I erroneously took a suitcase that looked like mine, but it actually belonged to somebody else. Okay, so that's the idea of this word erroneous. It's something that's wrong, it's false, an erroneous impression. Yeah, based on false information. Yeah, I assumed erroneously. I thought you were going to arrive much earlier, but I erroneously assumed that you were going to leave work at 5, not at 7:30. Yeah, that's where my error came from. The judge erroneously applied the rules. He applied them in the wrong way. Yeah, so something that contains a mistake. Yeah, it's mistaken. I erroneously thought that you were French, but in fact you're Belgian. Now you've told me you're Belgian. Okay, so something that's erroneous, an erroneous assumption, an erroneous belief. He was under the erroneous belief that he made erroneous claims based on information that wasn't true, to come to erroneous conclusions, to give somebody erroneous information. Yeah, the erroneous report was based on research that was not correct. So a belief or an opinion or a method that's erroneous, they're incorrect or only partly correct. Yeah, you do it in the wrong way. So I was under the erroneous belief that that today was Saturday. In the past, people erroneously believed that the earth was flat. Yeah? So incorrect, wrong, false, mistaken. Yeah? I erroneously believed that I had enough money to pay for this, and now I'm in a rather embarrassing situation. Okay, so erroneous, mistaken, making mistakes, doing something incorrectly, doing it wrong. So I chose erroneously. I chose the wrong one because I thought this is the one that I needed, but I chose erroneously, and I didn't actually get the one that I needed. So yeah, erroneous conclusions. Incorrect, wrong, mistaken, false, flawed, faulty, inaccurate, untrue, invalid, unfounded, spurious, wide of the mark. Yeah, so this is the opposite of right, correct, and true. Okay, so erroneous, erroneously. Let's see, formality. This is erroneous. Informally, I would just say wrong. I'm going to give it a 6.5 in formality. You could use it in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. And then as to origin, this comes from Latin, ero, a vagabond, from errare, to err or to stray, to go in the wrong direction, to take the wrong route. So I hope now you have the meaning of erroneous clear, and you won't use it erroneously in the future. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Erroneous, erroneously, erroneousness.